Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Circle's USDC APIs for stablecoin payments. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Circle's USDC APIs for stablecoin payments, start by setting up your Circle account. Visit the Circle website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Circle account using your credentials. Navigate to the API section from your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the documentation provided for USDC APIs. Gather the necessary information about your business and payment needs. Create an API key by selecting API keys in the dashboard. Follow the prompts to generate a new key and make sure to store it securely. Review the permissions associated with your API key to ensure it meets your requirements. Next, check the API reference for endpoints relevant to payments. Select the appropriate endpoint to initiate USDC transactions. Prepare a test environment to validate your API integration. Use the sandbox environment provided by Circle to conduct initial tests. Write the code for your application to handle the API requests. Implement error handling to manage potential issues during transactions. Once testing is complete, prepare for production. Check that all configurations are aligned with production settings. Deploy your application and monitor the integration closely. Ensure compliance with any regulatory requirements pertaining to stablecoin transactions. Finally, maintain your API integration by regularly checking for updates in the documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.